88.7% successful trades, 716 in just 15 minutes. Nearly 13,000 people already follow my steps and get the same results, all without leaving home. Be honest, don't you want the same? You've probably heard people say, trading is too hard, it's not for you, you'll lose everything. Well, I heard that too, and I'm glad I didn't listen. Now, see for yourself. I've also got strategies that have worked flawlessly for 7 years. I'm ready to share them for free. Here's the thing. My subscribers spend just 15 minutes a day and get more than they all boss makes in a month. Wanna see how? Click the link in the description and the pinned comment and join us. Alright, let's dive into the platform and pick our key players. I'll throw in a couple of stocks too. Now our main tool, MACD. Everything looks perfect. Pink, white, done. All right, let's get started. First asset, this looks interesting. Do you see that bounce? After a move like that, the candle either quickly returns to where it was or starts pushing downward. Here it's clearly pushing down. And the indicators, completely calm, no signs of reversal. So we are going down. Great start, let's keep it going. Now let's look at the next situation. If you take a closer look, you can see that after a long climb, the candle is starting to lose steam. The movement is slowing and the chart is beginning to curve. That's the first warning sign. Also look at the histograms. They're shrinking, even though the candle is still creeping upward. This is called divergence. And it usually means reversal is coming. I'm going down. And there it is, just as we predicted. Time to bring in our tech giant. This one's classic. We had a sideways trend with candles bouncing back and forth aimlessly. But here's the interesting part. Check out those big candles. That's always a good sign. And the indicators, it's pointing up too. The pink line crossed the white one from below. This looks like a breakout from the flat zone. Let's see how accurate we are. Nailed it, just as expected. When I was starting out, one thing frustrated me. No one told me exactly what to do. All I heard was figure it out yourself or be ready to lose. But what I needed was someone to say do this and that step by step. That's why I created my free Telegram channel where everything is crystal clear. What to do, when to enter, when to exit, and how to get your slice of pie. Check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. You'll see for yourself how my subscribers are buying MacBooks, paying off debts, and booking vacations. And now our favorite battery-powered engineer. This one's pretty clear. Look here. The candle has already started a strong move downward. The indicators confirm it, the histogram is shrinking, and the two lines, just like the textbook, are confidently pointing down. There's no guesswork here, we just follow the flow. Exactly as expected. Let's move on. Of course, results can vary depending on many factors and no one can offer ironclad guarantees. However, with carefully designed strategies and settings, we've worked hard to minimize risks as much as possible. Alright, let's go back to our European neighbors. What did I say? The correction kicked in and look, you can already see a local support level. See how the candle is bouncing back like a ball off the floor? The logic here is simple. We bounce off and head up. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. The correction did its job. You know, I never thought my parents would stay in a hotel with an ocean view. I used to think that kind of life was for other people, but it turns out it's for those who take responsibility for their lives. Do you want to do something like that for your family? Then let's get started. Click the link to my Telegram below this video and in the pinned comment. The first 15 people who take action and message me will receive a gift. Go for it. Fortune favors the bold. Now let's check back in with our tech giant. Look closely, the candle is pressing gently against the level. This, my friends, is classic. Before breaking through, the level gets tested like this. And the indicator, everything's pointing up. No time for jokes here, I'm going in. Yes, just the perfect moment. If you're not watching for these kinds of setups yet, now's the time to start. And now back to our battery-powered engineer. This one's really interesting. The candle slowed down and it almost looked like it wanted to reverse, but nothing happened. The strong seller just isn't letting it rise. Even after candles with long wicks at the bottom, there's no green. That means there's no reversal in sight yet, so we're heading down. As expected, spot on, solid result. You know, sometimes it feels like we live in a world where most people are just waiting for Friday, then payday, then, well, you know how it goes. Honestly, I got tired of living that way 7 years ago. That's when I decided, either I change something or nothing changed at all. And here's the result. If you're ready to stop waiting for Friday, now's the time to take action. Click the link below this video and join us. And remember, either you decide now or you tell yourself maybe later again. But that later can drag on for a lifetime. So take control of your life and act.